Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bacha Tutorials. Today we're gonna see about more on strings. This is basically string functions and more codes on it. Okay, just codes basically. Okay, now I'll go to my PyCharm. I will create a new Python file called not more on strings and remove this little zoom in. Now I will first take a variable, a string. I will take for.ly is my best friend. Okay, and you can do print var. Okay, it just prints for.ly is my best friend. Now you can after the variable hit a dot. There's n number of function, guys. I'm gonna show a little bit. You can search others. I will take endswith. Okay, this function makes sure that the string is ending with what. Okay, I will take wait, it's not my end, it's not my friends, it's my friend. Okay, I will give here wait, I will make him friend. This, if it ends with friend, it should give me. See guys, it's false. Why it's false? Because f is in capital. See guys, Python is very case sensitive, so doing a lot of coding, be careful on what you do. Python is very case sensitive. Okay, see, it's true. Okay, this was one of the code. Now I will take variable dot count. Hey, count. Okay, here I can give a character in double quotes. I will take e, guys. How many e's are there in the statement? Okay, 2. One is here and one is here. Then I'll take I. Then also it should show 2 because 1 and 2. Hey. Then this was about count. Next is about capitalize. Okay, capitalize makes the first letter capitalize. Oh, wait, this is already capital. Okay, I made it small. Now also it shows in capital because see, if it, wait, I will take a print statement here about var. See, actually this is this. After this capitalize, it has become capitalized first letter. So if you want to capitalize full statement, then there's upper, which makes it uppercase fully. See, for.ly is my best friend. Okay, we'll remove this, and there is another thing lower. Okay, wait, this is already in lower. I'll make it case upper case, then it should show me lower as well. Okay, I will take my statements back, just 2. Okay, now another one. Here another is what shall I do? Okay, fine. Okay guys, fine, this is another one. You can enter what you want to find. I want to find e's. Where is my e's? Okay, it's showing it's in index number after the index number 7. Okay, see, f is 1, o is 2, r is 3, 2, t is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So is after 7, guys. So then my, see, if is here 1 2 3, it should show 10. Yeah, it's 10, guys. This was another thing, and this will be last one, guys. Other, you should only find, guys. You do research, you keep searching, guys. Research makes you a better programmer, guys. I want to replace, what shall I replace? I want to replace, okay, Fortly. Okay, I want to replace Fortly 2 comma another 2. Okay, Badsha. Then if I print this, Badsha is my best friend. Okay, guys, this was a small or what function video about strings. This is up for today, guys. Thank you.